All right. What are we doing today, Caleb?
Crashing the Foxbody.
We're crashing that Foxbody? Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't want to do that though. Oh, that is such a bad, ugly hole. We need to fix the headlights first. You want to grab that?
Oh.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Sounds like fiberglass breaking.
So grabbing it?
We're grabbing the whole hood?
No, just part of the hood. So we can lift it up.
Well, put it on the roof.
That's where we're going.
Oh.
Yeah.
Instructions unclear. Scratch the top of the roof.
Oh, there's more body damage I gotta fix now.
Forgot I didn't do that one.
Oh, it almost fits all the way in there
It
now.
don't even fit. You did all working out. Why do you have a cracked bulb? It's like red light.
That's not my headlight. That's the housing.
They don't work. Those are the dimmest lights I think I've ever seen.
So if you guys ever buy aftermarket headlights, this is what you're gonna have to do to make your stock bulbs fit.
This is supposed to be sticky.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I thought that's why they made like screw holes.
No,
I didn't know that,
they
Caleb.
just-
I did not know that.
They just stick to the hood.
I don't think they're gonna stick to this.
No, they don't. They don't screw down. They just stick.
They're not gonna stick to this.
Oh, they're gonna stick.
And whoever, Robert White left me a little YouTube comment saying he could get me with the 302. You let me know whenever you want to race, and I will take you to Gapplebee's myself. My treat, okay?
That's the new cover. It's alright. You just stick it in there and it's alright. Yeah.
That was the biggest fucking waste of my life. I hate you with a passion.
It's funny that you bought it too.
Alright, now I need keys on. I bought some aluminum I can fix now. I need power steering fluid.
We're getting pulled over.
Do you think they're on?
They're on, yeah, I can see them.
God dang!
I don't think your brights are on.
Should we swap the wire real fast?
I mean, we can.
Yeah.
You know when you pull up your LS?
Blew up my LS.
Yeah.
What? We look like a fucking race car right now making test hits.
I feel like we're doing something illegal.
Bam. Oh, the duct tape's not there.
There you go. You're just not getting enough voltage.
Yep, not enough voltage.
Wait, what wire did you test before then?
Here's the red.
Yeah, that one. Those ones are your lows. Those are your highs. I would just wire up the reds real quick.
To what though?
Just to the fucking alternator.
I don't think I can reach. This is what we do with Caleb on a fucking Saturday evening at 9:12 at night.
912.
How'd you do it so fast? I can't find a hole.
I have practice.
Well, who, your mom? Ha ha ha. I hope y'all can see something on the GoPro. Hopefully it picks up some nighttime.
I've probably just seen the headline.
That's what all I can see. turn around.
We going off road?
No, I'm trying to turn around.
Those people got some bright ass headlights. I can't see. Oh, it's a Jeep. That was 70.
I can't get third. Third's not there. I need to fucking rebuild this shifter.
Even when the brakes are on. Oh, we're breaking down.
You can go first.
Get out of the way. I can't see us.
I can't either.
Well, let's go. Yeah.
Ah, listen to that.
I'm in the 85. Popcorn.
God, was that third gear? Fuck, it felt like it took forever.
I know.
The fucking RPMs were just sitting there slowly going up. This thing's a bad bitch, man. If I could just learn how to shift it. Can't even shift it automatic right. Hopefully all this footage is, you know, usable in a sense. I do though. Oh, couldn't stop.
Is it on fire?
Nope. Smells like it. Oh God, Caleb.
Oh, it's fine. I just shot some flames at it.
Oh.
That's probably the flame that I saw. That's probably what that
So
was.
this is getting so hot. I need to tuck it. Am I leaking coolant too? Yeah, I'm leaking coolant too.
Is it really?
Well, this plug keeps leaking. I just need to put an overflow on it.
Oh,
See,
looks like it-
it's leaking right there.
Hot?
Huh?
Is it hot?
Yeah, of course. But my temps were fine.
Oh, man.
Whew. Well, I guess tomorrow I will start putting the turbo manifolds on. Man, that was intense.
Yeah, it was only 85.
Right? It felt like a death trap, dude.
It felt like we were gonna die.
Oh God. Hopefully this is a good video for you guys. Hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and we'll see you later. Peace out.